As soon as we arrived in Jodhpur, we parked the bikes, checked into our hotel, the Nirvana home, and headed out to explore the city. With a population of just over 1 million people, Jodhpur is the second largest city in Rajasthan. It's easy to see why it's called the Blue City. First, we'll hop a tuk-tuk up to Mehrangarh Fort. The fort was built in 1459 and sits high on a hill 400 feet above the rest of the city. The Mehrangarh Fort is one of the largest Mughal forts in all of India. Once inside the walls, the intricately carved 5-story sandstone buildings are amazing. The fort houses a huge collection of antiquities, including a number of ornate howdahs, a seat for riding on the back of an elephant, and palanquins, used to carry the Maharajis through the streets of Jodhpur. The interior of Mehrangarh Fort is an impressive mix of gilded carvings, marble tile, Belgian glass, and painted frescoes. We leave the fort to visit the Jodhpur Spice Market. The air is filled with cardamom, cinnamon, and where else are you going to stock up on Kashmiri saffron? Once back at the hotel, we dine on the rooftop with a view of the fort.